I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update iTunes or Finder and the computer OS, and use an original or MFI-certified Lightning cable to avoid handshake errors. Once done, unlock the iPhone and keep it on the home or lock screen so prompts can appear. If it auto-locks, change auto-lock to never temporarily. Make sure the computer is not in a restricted guest account. Now plug the cable in firmly and watch the iPhone for any dialog. If nothing appeared, restart the iPhone and the computer to clear transient connection issues. Once they reboot, reconnect. If still no prompt, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Location and Privacy to force the trust dialog to reissue. This removes existing trust records. Then open Finder or iTunes immediately, select your device, and when the dialog appears, tap Trust and enter your passcode so the computer gains permission. After you tap Trust and authenticate on the iPhone, verify the computer recognizes the device in Finder or iTunes and that backups, photos, or file access work. If the computer still cannot see the phone, on Windows, reinstall Apple Mobile Device USB driver or update USB controllers. On Mac, make sure system information shows the iPhone. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different known good computer, if it trusts there. The problem is the original computer, not the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.